And welcome back to Kentucky Fried Fishing in Brazil. This is Michelle taking a gringo fishing. We have Ford Ka, which I get to drive. It's an awesome little 5-speed. Today's first step is go to the fishing store, and then Michelle is going to be my wonderful interpreter. And we are going to see about getting a fishing license and a safe place to go fishing on the Panera River and the Iguaçu River. So follow along. Welcome to Brazil. So Michelle, tell us about this car. No? Okay. Oh, I haven't had a 5-speed in years. And I absolutely love driving this little car. It's like a go-kart. To the fishing store?
Yes.
Alright, so stop number 1, Nick's Fishing, is now 3 Borders packaging. So Google, you lied and didn't update us. Does Google not work in Brazil?
Shame.
Alright, back to Google.
In a quarter mile at the roundabout, take the 3rd exit onto Avenida Costa e Silva, heading to Aeroporto Cataratas.
We're going to that where we're supposed to.
Hi, we've arrived. We are at Dorado, a fishing and hunting and everything store. So Michelle's in here talking, and what we're gonna ask, oh, there's all their fishing. There's all their fishing. We missed it all.
There's more here.
So can we come back? Oh, cool. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. Oh, okay, I thought that was the counter. So we got very similar to the US with the baits. I'm gonna get a couple. You ready to be the interpreter? Amigo, looking for a good place to fish on one of the rivers, public access, for fly fishing.
Fly, então,
Fly.
aqui não é uma pesca muito comum aqui no Paraná, nossa região. Então a gente tem alguma coisa de varas, de fly e carretilha só. Mas é bem o básico porque é uma região aqui que não tem essa procura. A pesca aqui na nossa região é o dourado e tucunaré. É o principal pesca aqui. Então são com isca artificial. Você vai pegar as varas de radiação mais rápida. E a gente tem a pesca da piapara também no Rio Paraná, porém é um canal muito fundo. Então, é um chumbo mais pesado, um equipamento mais robusto, com uma linha mais fina. É bem atípica a nossa pesca aqui. E a gente tem canais aí com mais de 100 metros de fundo.
E onde tem local para pesca pública aqui no
Tem pesca. O rio agora a gente está em Piracema.
Piracema, né?
Não é aconselhado. Tem o lago, sim, você pode pescar. E o forte daqui é pesca e pague. Os pesca e pague se voltaram para pesca e solte. Então eles estão com matrizes maiores, peixes maiores, né? Você paga um valor X e passa o dia pescando, porém pesca e devolve. Então são peixes grandes, 12, 15, 20 quilos. Então tá bem...
15
quilos? 20 quilos, peixes grandes.
But these are on the lakes
On
where,
what?
lakes that are prepared to fish and
Oh,
release.
Pay Lake.
Yes.
Pay Lake. Okay. Okay. So what is our best option?
Maybe it's maybe it's Itaipu Lake.
Ipatu Lake.
Itaipu.
Itaipu.
Você disse no lago de Itaipu também?
O lago pode pescar, mas normalmente é embarcado. Né? Você vai ter que ter um barco, ou locar um barco e vai pescar os peixes invasores, não são os peixes nativos da época. Né? Então vai ser o tucunaré, curvina, coisas assim. Que a gente tá na Piracema até março.
Sim. So places to go and fish is fishing this pay
The Pay Lakes.
legs.
Ah,
And then there's a Itaipu Lake, but then we need to ride a boat.
gotcha.
And
So
we'll fish invasors fish, that not the
In-
fish.
invasive species.
Invasives.
Okay,
Invasives.
okay.
Vou achar um local aqui interessante para vocês conhecerem.
Okay, he'll search a place that would be nice to get
Okay,
to visit.
okay. We'll see.
Yeah, because he said now we are at Piracema, the moment where fish are reproducing.
Oh, they are spawn. They're spawning. Okay, so
So we cannot fish straight to the river. We protect our fish here during this time.
Exatamente,
Gotcha,
é a
so-
proteção, é a desova, né?
now exist for spawn. Okay.
Esse aqui é o Recanto da Goia.
Alright, so we got everything. We got Michele. Bye, Jeff.
Tchau, tchau, obrigado.
Obrigado.
Tchau, tchau, obrigado.
Obrigado. Quick recap for all of us that don't speak Portuguese. The best place to go fishing is a pay lake. We're gonna take Michele's dad and myself with the 2 fly rods, right?
Yeah.
Michele, we have survived and made it back. Michele, what's Brazilians' favorite thing to do?
Food.
Food. So what are we going to do now?
Have lunch.
And we're back. I'm getting all fitted up. Got my fly rod. Got my little backpack. Checked all the gear out in the mirror. We are headed to the fishing lake that was suggested by the guide at Dorados yesterday. For those that are just fast forwarding through, we are in Foz de Iguaçu in Parana, Brazil. And we got a little bit of a car ride, and then we start the fishing. Uh-oh. What time is it?
Time to go fish.
Let's see your beautiful color chart. We got here royal blue. We got the First Mate hat from Key West. And in the back, we got ourselves the star of the show.
Yay! Let's go fishing.
We have arrived at the fishing spot. We got the owner showing us where to fish. I've got 2 rods set up. Me and Michele's dad are gonna go through a crash course of how to fly fish. I'm gonna get some cameras up and see what we catch. Very beautiful. Muito bonito.
Sim.
E esse aqui já era.
Isso. Não, esse é um caiaquezinho que eu uso às vezes para pescar no Paraná.
Hi, we got Donnie Vision on. I've got Michele's dad over there learning. We're actually chumming with some dog food, I think. And now I'm gonna get a rod in. They're trained to eat this food, so you have to match their bait. Oh, I'm trying to just pull them a little snack.
Every one of these is a fish, right?
Yeah, every single one of them.
Yeah, you keep doing it. I can do later.
You want to do later?
No, yeah, later.
Not interested?
Okay, yeah, but it looks like you will fish.
Yeah. Try. Let me throw some bait out for you. Actually, very good for your first time ever touching a fly rod. Not surprised, you're good at everything you do, but you picked it up a lot faster than I did. All right, so now you got to pull. Yep, just a little inch. Yeah, just shoot. Yeah.
Give some movement to the bait?
Yeah, give just a little movement. Oh yeah, there's fish here. Let's look.
Peixe pequeno que belisca.
This bait kind of sinks a little. See? So the secret is don't pull the yellow line into the rod.
Okay.
So now, let me show you. I'll take one hand.
Sorry.
Here you go. Why don't you put the camera on me so I can show you how to do the cast? No, oh, no, film me while you watch. All right. You can pull it back and just let line feed. Boom. That's how you do it. And then you just slowly pull it in a little bit.
Okay.
We can take some turns fishing. Because after all, you are the first mate of the channel. And people, she does have the hat to prove it. All right, pull the bait in a little bit. You don't want to let it sit and sink. It gets in the mud.
Wow.
Yep.
Is this good here?
You're doing good, yeah. Yeah, and you can start casting it now if you want.
Mãe, dá uma licença, eu tenho medo de te atingir. Vai pra lá, por favor.
Okay. Folks, she can drive a boat, she can throw a fly rod, and she's mine. She is not on the market. Sorry, guys. Oy. Mm-hmm. As you all can see by the surface of the water, this lake is flat packed with fish. My only big mistake here is I thought we were river fishing, so I brought 2 fly rods. I will be bringing some short 60-inch heavy duty rods when I come back to bring whatever this lake has in it. Today was, I'm not gonna lie, very frustrating because I brought the wrong equipment on an 8,000 mile plane ride. So we did get one, which you're getting ready to see. But Brazil is absolutely beautiful. If you all never got to check it out, which most people don't, I'm lucky enough to be brought along to meet Michelle's parents, and we had a wonderful time for several weeks over the holidays. So this is kind of the first fishing video of the year. Hopefully we got lots of plans in the works coming up. So sit back, enjoy the trials and tribulations of me trying to catch a fish without the right rod. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate every single one of you all that tuned in. What is that noise?
Ducks.
Oh, ducks? Oh. Yep. Ducks. Alright, so we're changing tactics. We've got ourselves a spin cast rod, some line, and a sinker.
Precisava a pontinha aqui fora.
Yeah, see.
Não sei. É. Como é que é? Uia. Você foi.
Ai, 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 ai. Me. Now exista.
E essa aqui parece ter sido, a finalidade dela foi pequenos escritos, porque quando a gente digita o negócio, ela copia muito bem, ela imprime.
Oh, they got me. They got me. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Não tem isca. Cadê a isca? Não há isca.
No, no bait. Ah, got him.
Olha, vê.
Hey, get on that camera. This battery just died on me. Oh, oh. Yeah. There we go. Yep. Oh.
Escapou.
It counts. Hey, get on that camera. This battery just died on me. Oh. Yeah. There we go. Yep. Oh. It counts.
Escapou!
It counts. It hit the bank. No bait. Just a hook.
Wow.
Yeah. No. And we're ending a wonderful little outing with Michelle's family. We got one fish to the bank. The assist from Michelle's dad. There's Michelle running the shot. He helped me catch it. So we're gonna try this again next time we come down, and we'll see you on the next one.